Buying on Amazon with Afterpay is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. First of all, you have to open your Chrome browser and search for afterpay.com. Next window will look like this. You can see that there are many options in upper side how it work. Here you can see that how Afterpay works. Second is option is for retailers. Here you can set up your business if you have. Third one is get the app button where you can download the app if you want. After this you can scroll down to see many option get everything you need now. Pay over time, no fees when you pay on time. Next you can scroll down more and see many information about Afterpay. Now come on search bar on upper side. After this you have to search Amazon here and click on Amazon Cosmetics. Next window will look like this. And here you can see that there are many card available, but you can choose according to your choice. Next you have to click on Card Amorous USA. So if you want to buy any card for Amazon, you can buy using Afterpay. You have to scroll down and click on BB Cream. Next window will look like this. Here you can see detail for this card. You can check the rate of cream. Then, you can check the color. You can also select the quantity of this card, how many you wants to buy. You have to click on Add to Cart. Here you can add payment details.